Comes a little swell.
Hello, swell.
Hi, I'm SJ Funbradar. Welcome to the Behind the Scenes of Digital Nature, a short documentary that I shot for FiLMiC Pro and Frame.io's camera-to-cloud integration.
No, I look dead in the eyes.
I'll show you how the shoot went and how I used the C2C integration on set. Let's go.
Hey, can you look at me? Hi. Look perfect.
Great.
Just Is it hard to turn?
A little bit.
Quickly, a wave's coming.
Oh no, not the wave.
Sorry, one more time. I was not in the right position.
No, too much hands.
It's a new one. Oh, bubbles. There's just a lady behind you.
I'm sucking a duck spaghetti.
Yay.
Oh no, stop. That looks beautiful.
Okay, let's try one more time.